United States wins big in Iraq after deadly pipeline standoff, and let me tell you here, Iran is not at all happy. You're watching Times XP. My name is Dhrityatri, and the Middle East is on the edge. Oil is flowing again, but tension is still high. So here's what happened. In mid-July, Iranian-backed drones struck multiple oil fields in Iraq's Kurdish region. The target? Facilities run by the United States companies like HKN Energy and Hunt Oil. The strikes were deadly precise, halting almost half of Kyrgyzstan's oil production for 4 days. Washington was very angry. In fact, the US long believed that Iraq was failing to control the pro-Iranian militia, and these attacks proved it. After that, the US response was immediate and it was forceful. Under the Trump administration, Washington applied intense diplomatic pressure on Baghdad, reportedly even threatening sanctions. The goal was to reopen the key pipeline to Turkey's port, basically a lifeline for Kyrgyzstan's oil export. And it worked. The pipeline restarted the United States' influence in northern Iraq. It just got major boost. Now, you know why this matters? Because Iraq is the second largest OPEC producer. The battle over pipelines isn't just about oil. It's about power, politics, influence. For the US, reopening the pipeline means A. Protecting the American oil investment in Kyrgyzstan, B. Weakening Iran's grip in northern Iraq, and C. Stabilizing the global oil market. And in the meantime, Tehran and its Iraq-based militia are watching nervously as Washington flexes its muscle. Well, the human and business impact was immediate. The US companies like HKN Energy and Hunt Oil, they were directly affected by the shutdown. Other foreign firms, including the Norway's DNO, almost saw production drop. But behind the scenes, private business interests, they intervened with high-stakes diplomacy, showing just how closely oil and politics are really connected in this region. You might be wondering what's next, right? Well, the pipeline deal is temporary. Baghdad and Kyrgyzstan's regional government will review it at the end of December. Long-term stability is still uncertain, and disputes over Kyrgyzstan gas deal, expiring export, the agreement, and Iran-backed militia threat could reignite the tension at any moment. In the meantime, the US energy giants, they are re-entering Iraq, expanding southern oil production and cementing America's growing role in the country. So, the time for the big question. Can Washington maintain this new leverage in Iraq? It depends on diplomatic pressure, regional stability, and energy agreement. One thing is clear. The battle over Iraq's oil is also a battle for influence between US and Iran. For the rest of the world, for the investors, for policymakers, every barrel counts here. And in Iraq, every move could shift the balance of power.